Crystals are very trendy nowadays, so I thought why not to make the video on the same. So here we are with a grand new tutorial of this beautiful red crystal necklace set. So enjoy watching the tutorial and let's get started. So the material required is golden wire. This is 28 gauge golden wire. And we also need this 30 gauge golden wire. Then we need these 3 mm crystal beads in different colors. Then chain. Then we need jump ring, and this is necklace hook, cutter plier, and we need pen. So first of all, I'm taking this golden wire and from one end we are going to wrap this to this pen like this. Okay, so now I'll remove it and we are going to make a freestyle pattern. So I'm just going to do like this, like we have to press it like this. And we have to make the round out of this. Okay, so this is the end. So I will wrap this end. Okay, so and we'll just spread this one. Now we are going to add these crystal beads. So for that we'll take this 30 gauge wire and I'll take a little bit portion of this wire. I'll cut this here. Cutted this 30 gauge wire and we are going to wrap this to any side of this base of golden 28 gauge wire, and with the help of plier I will wrap this wire. Now I will add my first crystal bead. So I am taking this. You can take any color. So it came in my hand, so I am choosing this one. And over here I will again make a wrap to make sure that it is going to strengthen. It is going to fix at that place. So you can see now the bead has wrapped, and now I will take this wire to any side. So I am taking it over here and again we will make a wrap. So I have made a wrap of wire over here and I'll add a bead in this. I am taking this bead and will add it here, and again I will make a wrap. So likewise I'm going to do this in a freestyle pattern, like I will add the beads from there, here, here, here to everywhere in a freestyle pattern. So I will quickly do that and we'll come back to you. So guys, you can see I have applied these crystal beads and it's looking so colorful and beautiful. Make sure that you will add crystal beads to only one side, and you can see this side is remaining empty. There is no crystal beads on this side, so make sure to take this precaution. So we are going to add chain dangles over here. So we need chains in 3 different sizes. So I have already cut it in small, big and less smaller in like this, and we are going to make a dangle of these crystal beads again. So first, for that, I'm going to take this wire and I'll mold this wire to this end first, and we'll make a loop. So I have made a loop. Now we are going to add some beads, and you can literally choose any beads that you want. So I'm choosing these ones, these 3 beads. Now again here we are going to make a loop, so to this side. Wait. Okay, and now we will keep this wire wrapping to this whole beads like this. We will wrap this wire. So this is what we want, and now I'll take this jump ring and we'll insert one jump ring in this like this, and we'll insert this jump ring in this chain, and with the help of plier I'm going to close this loop. So again, we also need to have dangles for this. So I have already made 2 of them, and now I'll quickly add them. Okay, so I have added these dangles to the chain. Now again I'm taking this jump ring and I'll open this jump ring and I'll add these 3 of them in this. Okay, and this one we are going to add over here. You can add to any one, any loop, there is no issue. And again with the help of plier itself we are going to close this loop. Okay, now we will add a chain. So for that we are not going to add a simple chain, but we are going to make something like this. So we are going to add this formation. For that I am taking this wire first and I'll cut a little bit part of this. And we are going to make a square like this. So first I'll mold this here. Okay, and now I will take this one, I'll like this, and again I'll mold from this side. Okay, now I'll take this wire to this side, and again I'm going to make a loop over here, and now to this side with the remaining part we are going to make a loop. Okay, now this is done. Now we are going to make this one. So for that I am again taking this 30 gauge wire and we'll cut this one right here, and to this one loop I'm going to insert this wire and we'll knot this wire over here. Okay, then I'll add any 3 crystal beads. Okay, and now I have already made one square like this, so I'm going to add it over here first, and then we will make a knot. We are not going to make a knot first. Okay, and now we will just move this wire from these beads just like we did before, like this. And now I'm going to cut this extra. Okay, so with this this formation is ready. Now I'm taking these jump rings and will attach them here. Okay, and we'll repeat the same to this side. Okay, so you can see I have added this, and now we are simply going to attach this to our main this pendant. So we will attach this to opposite to this, so I am going to attach it to here. So again I am taking this jump ring and will insert this both, and then I am going to opposite of this here I will add this jump ring, and I am going to close this one. Okay, so now we are going to add this necklace hook. So I am going to take this one and we'll add a hook over here. Close this, and here also I'm going to add a loop because it's not possible to insert that hook in the loops of chain. So we are going to add 2-3 jump rings so that people can wear this very easily and comfortably. And with that this beautiful necklace is ready. Ta-da! And these are our earrings. I have made them in the same way just like we made earrings, and I just added dangle over here. This is the second one. If you like the tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.